Hi everybody! I don't know why I did that, but anyways, welcome to my apartment tour, which everybody is asking about. Where you are right now is the entrance, and then here is the bathroom, which I won't show you, and then we enter. When you go in, you can see everything here, the kitchen and my workspace. So let's go to the kitchen first. There's not much to say, but basically this is my fridge, which again, I won't show you. I have too much privacy in life. And some pantry. Not organized, but my mom's coming, so she's probably gonna organize it. Here we have my washing machine. There's no dryer anyways. And then where I cook and washing area. Basically, this is just some unorganized. I mean, it's a bit organized for me right now. All my plates are there, everything there. I use the kitchen most of the time, and since I use the kitchen most of the time, I bought this one. It's like a movable thing wherein I need to, put some stuff and like cut some stuff here. I can put it here. It's movable. I bought it. Didn't come with the apartment. Okay. Coming from the kitchen, we have some like other appliances that I need. Air fryer, which was gifted to me. 감사합니다. 그리고 this was also not gifted, but then I borrowed it from somebody. And some other things that I need. And then some cleaning supplies and some supplies for my work. But this is my favorite space of all time. Next to the bed space. But basically I work here. Got a monitor because I edit videos and I do a lot of things for my clients and for my work, and I have my laptop. But what I like about this, what I'm very proud of, couldn't work for how many weeks because my table wasn't coming, but then I got this, which is movable, adjustable, not movable. It's movable wherein I can put it down. I didn't buy the electric one because it's too expensive right now and I don't want to spend money for it too much. If ever I want to stand while editing or sit down or anything else. But yeah, then we finally go to our dining because there are people who come and go in my house and I don't want them to eat in the floor. So if I was alone, I would probably just stay where my workspace is. But then I usually eat here when there are guests over. Usually you see the sunset here. But then right now, you see nothing but fog. But yeah, from there, we have my bedroom upstairs, which I won't show you again because privacy. So I think that's everything for my vlog today because you guys wanted an apartment tour. That's everything I wanted to show you about the apartment. That's it for today. Bye!